Welcome to the 12th day of our month of July challenge. Blueberry season, blueberry season. Mission, BC, is the perfect spot to dive into blueberry season. The sun warms the fields, and those bushes are bursting with juicy berries just waiting to be picked. Local farmers take pride in growing some of the best blueberries around, thanks to the rich soil and great weather. Whether you're planning to pick your own or just enjoying the view from home, Mission's blueberry season is sure to be a sweet and unforgettable experience. Thanks for joining me for blueberry season in Mission, BC. Stay tuned for more fun adventures ahead. And hey, don't forget, it's totally free to subscribe. Leave a comment and hit that like button. Just a little reminder,